Okay, so today we'll be tackling a issue which happens massive on in hydroponics and aquaponics, that is called a root rot. And in our case, we have some of our plants which have been heavily affected or infected by root rot. And what we are going to do is that we will be here. This is the plant in question. This is basically a chili plant. Okay, so you can see the chilies were coming up there, and here, as you can see, the root rot is this is heavily infected. Okay, and what is happening is that it is infecting the other plants also. Now, since this is our experimental stuff, and what I have learned is, in this case, I'm trying to save this plant. I don't know whether we are going to be successful or how successful we are going to be. So we are going to trim this, leaving just about 1 inch from the base of this, and then we are going to wash that carefully and treat it, and then again place it back into the water system. We'll be cleaning the pipe per se, also disinfecting it. But to begin with, I'm just going to show you what we are planning to do here. The reason of, and here, as you can see, if you see closely, let me see if in case there, if you can see those white roots through the holes, those are the ones which are taking the air, and the roots down below, these are the ones which are soaked or dipped in the solution and the water from which it gets the nutrients. Fine, so we are going to now trim these roots. There, and now this about 1 inch which is left, it is absolutely thickly matted. It is as bad as it can get, and we're going to wash this. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is, since we are on the experimental phase, I'm trying my best to try and save this. Although what I've learned is that once the root rot takes place, it's very difficult to save the plant. And in this case, it was नहीं और अच्छे से धो यार इसको. And in this case, it was heavily infected. Now, the basic reasons for root rot are excessive watering. Second is the temperature rises of the water, so which is very conducive for the root rot to take place in the plant. Okay, and third is that your system is already infected. So root rot is easily transferred from one plant to the other. And in our case, luckily we shifted our big plants to the tank which we had made over here. So those as of now are safe. I'll be showing you the roots later on towards the end of this video. And the ones in this pipe, they are the ones which are getting infected. So here, as you can see, we have now washed it, although it is not fully sorted. Thoda sa aur kar de bhai. Although it is fully not done, but then let's try and see if in case we can save this. They say that once it is heavily infected, you cannot save the plant, but I'm trying to do it. So let's see how far it goes. Yeah, in our case, what had happened was that the system was okay, everything was fine, but the roots were totally submerged in the water. Okay, and secondly, so that was, you can say, over watering. And although the temperature and everything was fine, it was not able to get the air which it required. So the air roots were not there. So now what we've done is we have increased the height, or rather we've see, now here you can see I've added these pieces. These are actually the same pieces which were cut out from the pipe here. So I've taken those, put it on the sides and lifted the cup upwards. so that now just the roots are in the water and the rest of the cup or glass is in the air, so it can get its oxygen, and the roots are the ones which are down below, which will be taking in the nutrients. Okay, and now coming to a little good news here. कौन से वाला था, ये वाला था ना. Here, now this is our chili plant, and as you can see, we are beginning to, it's flowering, and we are beginning to get little chilies. So that's one. Okay, I don't know. Yeah, there. That's two. And that's a little one there. Three. Yeah, and it's flowering. So flowers are coming. And I'm keeping an eye. Like for example, this is your brinjal plant. It's flowering too. Fine. And let's see. I think there is a plant in the corner there that too is showing me one chili. So we are now coming towards the crucial phase. If in case I can manage the root rot. Okay, ये हम दूसरे वाला कर रहे हैं भाई. So if I can manage and control the root rot, I think we have won the game. But still, yeah, see there now, these are the